welcome back to another YouTube video, and in this video I'll be showing you guys how to delete a snap or story on Snapchat if you change your mind after posting. If you sent a snap to a friend in chat and you want to delete it, just long press and then click on the delete option. Snapchat will remove it from the conversation through your though your friend might have seen it already. To delete a snap from your story, tap your profile icon, then go to My Story. Find the snap you want to delete, tap the three dots next to it and then click on Delete Snap option. Next, Snapchat will ask you to confirm to delete again and tap delete again and it's gone. Remember, once you delete a snap or story, it disappears immediately. You can't recover it, so make sure you really want to delete it. And that's it. Now you know how to delete a snap or a story on Snapchat. Like, subscribe and comment down on my video, and do not forget to check out my other snap tutorials for more tips. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.